In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a template to your existing Showit website. This is going to be handy if you want to add canvases or page layouts to your existing website design. Once you've imported the templates into your library, the first thing you want to do is select the website that you want to add the templates to. Once in the main dashboard, we then want to select the page that we're adding the template to. Now, if you're adding a template that contains individual canvases, Showit only allows you to add one canvas at a time. An entire page, on the other hand, can be added in one go. Step 3. Next, we want to select the Page tab. Click the 3 dots and select Add New Canvas. This will allow us to choose a canvas from our existing website, another site that we've created, our template library, or the Showit library, which contains all of the free Showit templates from the Showit marketplace. In this case, we want to select My Library. As you can see, all of our imported templates can be accessed from this list. So because we're adding a new canvas, like I said before, you can only add one canvas at a time to your website. If your template is made up of multiple canvases, you'll have to repeat the steps to add all of the canvases to your website. So for demonstration purposes, let's say that we want to add the navigation menu of this template to our website. As you can see, this particular section is made up of multiple canvases. We've got the navigation menu, the navigation drop-down menu, and then the mobile navigation menu. So to start with, we'll need to add the navigation canvas as the main navigation menu section, so we can select that one. The next step is to decide whether we want to apply my fonts and colors or use the original design. Whenever you're adding a new template to your existing website, I always recommend choosing Apply My Fonts and Colors. Now, don't panic, this is likely going to make the design look a bit messy at first, but sticking with your own fonts and colors allows you to maintain cohesion throughout your website, which will look a lot more professional. You can always customize the template once you've added it to your website, so it looks a lot neater. Okay, so now we can press Add and repeat the steps for the next canvas. Okay, the next step is to style the templates according to the design of your existing website. This is why I love Showit so much. You can change literally anything. You can update colors, fonts, remove elements, change the layout entirely. The choice is yours. Now I'm just going to go ahead and quickly customize the look of these templates so they work with my existing colors and fonts. Okay, so usually styling and publishing the design would be the final step, but because we're using a navigation menu, this is likely something that you'd want to add to more than just one page. If we're adding it to multiple pages, the first thing we want to do is convert the template canvases to site canvases. This means that any changes we make to these canvases down the track will be automatically applied to all of the pages that contain these canvases. This saves you a lot of time and effort and prevents you from having to update each page individually. To convert the canvases into site canvases, all we have to do is select the 3 dots next to each canvas and select Convert to Site Canvas. We can then go ahead and add these site canvases to multiple pages across our website. If you want more Showit tips and tutorials, press the subscribe button below as well as the bell icon to be notified each time I post a new video. I'll see you next time.